This is a final video to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering with AirPods on Windows 11. Are you tired of your music or calls cutting out or lagging? This usually happens because Windows 11 doesn't always handle Bluetooth audio perfectly, and sometimes drivers or settings conflict with AirPods. Many guides on YouTube or social media show long, confusing steps that take forever and still don't work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it fast and keeps your AirPods smooth and clear. All you need is to adjust a hidden Windows setting and update one driver. No complicated software or long menus. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click, comment below and I'll cover it in detail.